for I in range. Now, how many elements are inside my list?
3.
3.
What's the biggest lesson you've learned about girls and coding in this class?
It's just staying confident and persevering through whatever rough patches you're going through, whether it be coding or whether it be how you're being treated in the workforce. But mainly, I think it's being confident in every single thing that you're doing and being proud of what you're doing.
Were you involved in computers and programming and that before you started this class?
Not in the slightest.
And now has this changed your mind and maybe made you a little bit more interested in this kind of a field?
Yes. It's shown me how computer science is not only the future, but it is involved in everything that we do.
I was in coding, but when I came here, it was like learning how to code because I always thought it was like really hard. So now it's like kind of easier. For me, I've learned like a lot about like HTML, which is like web design, and in my group in our final project I'm like head of doing Google Maps API, so it shows like the marker for homeless shelters and animal shelters because I really like am big about animals, so I thought that we should do that.
So wait a minute, you reprogrammed Google Maps?
Yeah. Kind of.
I can't even use my Google Map.
Under here is an Arduino board.
She revealed to us that she didn't have any coding experience before taking this class, yet you're the one who built a solar-powered robot. How does that happen?
Great teachers, a great partner, and I think just having a good background knowledge. Computer science is not only the future, but it is involved in everything that we do. It's also shown me how many doors it opens for girls and women and people that have kids or people that need a new job and things like that.
So, now that the summer's over, how many of you think that girls can code as well as boys?
Oh yeah.
And that's a fact,
that.
right?
Yes.
That is a fact.
I love that one of the girls said, come and look at my code and then you'll know. And we have some of the representatives, Chris, Alice, Yamarie. Welcome to Great Day, Washington.
Thank you guys. And thank you for really just sharing this experience with us, because again, you know, people can say what they want about our individual abilities based on whatever their stereotype. I think this program proved that it doesn't matter where you come from, what your background, you know, computer doesn't discriminate, and neither does a code, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Totally.
So how much fun has this been for you?
Yeah, it's been like great fun. Like there's like great people and they just make everything so much better.
And the idea, your company is one of the sponsors.
Yes, so software.org is my organization, and we sponsor a class of all of these wonderful young women here. And we think that the tech workforce should look like tech users. These women are really the future of coding. They're the future of the software industry, so we loved doing this.
You need to help us convince other companies to step up to the plate and know that they can participate in this program too. Now, how do they do that?
Absolutely. So there are companies across the country who are sponsoring 80 programs in 12 cities. Girls Who Code has grown from 20 girls to 40,000 young women in just the last 5 years.
Wait, last week I saw something in the news that said to me that I shouldn't even bother hiring women. Is this stupid?
Absolutely.
Thank you. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
the Google controversy, Andy. I mean, there's some guy, he got fired saying women couldn't handle the pressure, and then you have girls in your program who are just basically building robots over a 7-week program.
Can you help us code that microphone?
I know, right? We need them to actually work right now on this show.
Absolutely. So men should not be talking about women and what they can or cannot do. We should be talking about what they can do and what they should be doing. We should be supporting these young women and launching them into the future.
Is it not ridiculous that we have been on this planet and done everything together for millennia? And now, because there's one job opportunity that some people are afraid they may start losing their position in, they're going to start talking and casting aspersions.
You know what? You want to hear a girl roar, tell her there's something she can't do.
You nailed it.
And they're going to do it just like that.
I love it. I love
Awesome
it.
job,
Hey,
girls.
Chris, thank you for being a champion of women. Montel, you have been a great champion of me and all the women on this show. And girls, go out there and get them and get those jobs.
Right.
We'll be right back.
Nice job, girls.
So nice to meet you.